Hi everyone, welcome to a new tutorial from Nat. One of the things that add professionalism to a project is proper spacing and alignment on a page, and Photoshop makes it easy to make that stuff with rulers and smart guide system. I'm gonna quickly show you how everything in your next project is going to be aligned properly. Let's dive in and create a document. Let's fill it with a color using the paint bucket. I'm gonna fill it with dark blue. Okay, now if you don't see the ruler underneath the option bar and next to the toolbar, you go to view and click on rulers, or you can use its shortcut by pressing Ctrl R on your keyboard. You can choose the measurement unit you want to see on these rulers by right clicking on the ruler and choose the unit you want to work with. I tend to work mostly in centimeters. Let's say you want your graphic about 1 centimeter from the edge. Having the ruler really helps you see where is 1 centimeter is about. But if you want it to be exact, you have to turn on what's called a guide. New guide. It will guide our imaginary boundaries that you can only see when you're on your screen, but it won't appear when you print your finished document. Then select new guide. You will see a window here that appears for the setting. So in our case, if we want a marker 1 centimeter, I would go to position and type 1 centimeter, and I choose if I want it to be vertical or horizontal. Okay, let's say I want it to be horizontal, and I click OK. Another way to put guides is just pull it right out of the ruler itself, like this way. From the ruler here or from the ruler above. If you want to clear them all out and start over with a new set of guides on the same project, just go up to view and then click clear guides. Now if you want to create a series of guides, you want to use them over and over again, go to view and then choose new guide layout. You can there's a window that will pop up and that will allow you to choose an existing guide preset or create a custom one and save it. Let's try custom, and here you can create a series of columns and rows. The gutter here is the space between your your columns, let's say 1 centimeter or 5 centimeter, no, 5 centimeter is a lot, 2 centimeter. Okay, the gutter here is the space in between your columns. So instead of creating these guides one by one, you can very quickly create an entire layout in just one place and save it as a preset and use it again. Now let's talk about cancel. Now let's talk about smart guides. These are turned on by default, and you can make sure by going to view, and you can see here that they are turned on by default. Here they are already checked right here. They can incredibly be helpful when you are aligning several elements on a page. Let's try using them. Let's go and create a rectangle. Okay, let's go and create another one. Let's move it. You can see here the magenta guide that is making the alignment. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you find it helpful for you, and if you aren't subscribed yet, please subscribe.